Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I go on an 11 out of 10, 100% winging it, last minute, crazy helmet head adventure, all solo. Cue the intro. Well, just before we start this episode, I'm just going to really quickly go through the plan and I'll probably go back through it again. But basically, I've got a little bit of time off work, pretty much last minute, and I had to take it, and why not? So the MonkeyCycle camper van is nowhere near ready. And in literally the last sort of 48 hours, I've been rushing around trying to pick stuff up to make it happen. Now, it's not going to be done. It's going to be proper raw. There's still holes in the floor and all sorts of stuff. But the plan of it is to somehow wing it, get it into some kind of usable camper van within the next 24 hours so I can go on a crazy helmet head adventure. And we are going none other than the Lake District, and that's right up here. So we're right down here somewhere, and we're going to travel away about 250 miles, and we're going to head to the Lake District. I'm going to spend roughly 3 nights, maybe longer, in the MonkeyCycle camper van, in whichever state we make it in. I'm going to do it on the cheapest budget that I possibly can, and I'll go through some of the cheap arse nasty food and stuff that I bought, and no way will I be drinking things like the fake Stella cans and stuff like that to keep the cost down in any way. But this is going to be a true solo helmet head crazy nutty adventure. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the rush to get the camper van done, episode 1. Enjoy. Well, you join me in the MonkeyCycle camper van project. I want to say it's a project. It's seriously a project. Now, I look knackered because I've been on working like till silly o'clock this morning. I've only had a few hours sleep and I've had to get up, but there's a good reason why I've got up, because I want to try to transform the MonkeyCycle camper van within 24 hours into something usable. And the word is usable because I'm not expecting massive things, but bless her, my wife has been working her socks off to make curtains for this. I had an absolutely awesome donation from Aaron Langford. I mean, what an absolute legend. And on top of that, he sent me something to make it really cool. So I've used his donation money and the thing he sent me really cool to put together to literally start the creation of the kitchen for the camper. I've got a camp bed behind me that you can see here that I'm going to be sleeping on, so the bed won't properly be put on. I've booked myself of literally a 3-night stay in the Lake District. I'm going to take this van about 250 miles to get there, spend 3 nights and completely wing it. And when I say completely wing it, I've literally done no proper research on this. I've kind of got up, booked somewhere and gone, I'm going to head there. Now, I know Hard Knock Pass is there and it's a must do, so I'm going to do it. Obviously, there's Windermere, I believe it's called, lake. That's got to be worth a see. But I don't really know the Lake District well. It is a true helmet head, 11 out of 10 winging it. I'm going to do it on a shoestring. My whole plan of this trip is to make it a proper full-on budget trip. And I mean, live really cheap, eat really cheap. Everything about this is just going to be dirt cheap. So this is going to be a motorcycle vlog on the monkey bike in the camper, not finished. I mean, I just hope we can get the stuff done so it's even livable. But let me just show you the state that it's in at the minute and how far we've got to go so it works. I mean, bare minimum, just think bare minimum, 11 out of 10. It's going to be a giggle. Right, okay, so with Aaron's donation, I bought this sideboard off of Facebook Marketplace, the Sidekicks favourite place of all. Now literally this is going to be really cool, and the reason why I went for the sideboard to start the kitchen, obviously it's essential, but Aaron didn't just get me this for the camper, but he sent off of his own back, bless him, as well, he sent me this. Now this under here is a glass top sink with tap, ready to go. So the plan of it is today is to, I'll go over to the sidekick at work, beg and sort of plead that he gets this ready, fixes it in properly, and we put the sink in. Now, like I said, where I've taken out seats, there's still holes in the floor. I was going to deal with them, but probably not at the minute, because hey, ventilation is all good. This is all the stuff out of the old MonkeyCycle camper van that's obviously cutlery and stuff like that, so that can all go in here, then make some more room. At the back of this whole load of mess, I bought myself a portaloo, so in case there's a problem with the site, because obviously all the stuff that's going on in the world, I can go to the toilet quite happily, and obviously if I need an emergency number 2, I'm sorted on the way. Like I said, my camp bed is sort of here, set up at the back. That's going to go where the Monkey-Bike goes. So the Monkey-Bike will come in here, it will come off of a ramp, it will go in, it will literally clip into the wheel jock at the front. We'll put some anchor points in and strap it down. Obviously I've got more camping stuff there, my seat, my table, etc, etc. So I've got to get this done. 24 hours and I'm going on an awesome winging it adventure. So yeah, 24 hours and I'm going on an awesome winging it adventure. I am knackered already, but do you know what? I'm going to work hard. I'm going to make this happen. It's going to be an absolute blast. So I can't stand up in this camper because I didn't think that through. But none of it matters. I just can't wait to get the bike in here and get going. Anyway, I'm going to now jump in the front. I'm going to drive to the sidekick's work and I am going to offer him, I don't know, the best man hug in the world to get going so we can get this van usable. I can't wait. I love a winging it adventure. It's going to be a giggle. Anyway, let's go.
You alright?
I brought the camper.
Yeah.
In less than 24 hours I'm going away.
Right.
I need you to work your magic.
I hope you brought the expensive nuts this time, not the cheap ones.
Waitrose?
Yeah, alright. Come on then.
Yeah? Can we cue the music?
Yeah, cue the music.
24 hours, it's got to be usable.
Well, can't you just put a sleeping bag on the floor?
No, I want it to look posh, right? Mate, do a proper job, 11 out of 10.
We'll do something, yeah. Come on then.
Alright. So we fixed it in, it's nice and secure, 11 out of 10. Darren's, look, he's already making it so the drawers don't fly open and damage the monkey. This is solid, right?
Yeah, this should work.
And it's guaranteed again, yeah?
Once you go out the gate out there,
yeah,
the guaranteed's void.
So as long as I do a few donuts in the car park before I leave and it's still together, then I can bring it back then, yeah?
No.
Did you think I've got the power to do donuts?
I tell you what, if you can do a donut and nothing falls out, then yeah.
Okay.
Right.
I've got a portaloo there, right? So worst case happens and I poop myself. Instead of going all over the chair, I can just jump onto the loo.
Right.
Alright? And you're not allowed to use it though, alright?
I already have. Yeah. You were in there, round there.
That's why it smells whiffy.
Yeah.
You dirty, dirty man.